children, today our topic is money. Okay, so today we will learn how to identify currency notes and coins. Okay, now see, we use these currency notes in India, rupee 1, then rupee 2, but we don't have rupee 3 and 4. Now we have directly rupee 5. Then no 6, 7, 8, 9 notes do we have. We have currency note of 10. Then currency note of 20. Then 50 rupee note. Then 100 rupee note. Then 200 rupee note. 500 rupee note and 2000 rupees note. Okay, now I will show it to you. Now see, this is rupee 1. Can you all see this? See, this is rupee 1. Now see, this is rupees 2. This is the back side of rupees 2. Now see, this is rupees 5. Rupees 5. Now this is rupees 10. This is rupees 10. 10 rupees is, number 10 is written here on the note. Every note, on every note you can have the number written on it. See, this is a 20 rupee note. This is 20 rupee note. Number 20 is also written here in this note and in some other places also at the back side of this note. Now see, this is 50 rupees note and this is the back side of 50 rupees note. See, this is 100 rupees note and this is the back side of 100 rupees note. You will find picture of Mahatma Gandhi on every note. Now after 100 rupees we have 200 rupees note. See, and this is the back side of 200 rupees note. Now next, this is 500 rupees note. As you all can see, this is the back side of 100 rupees note and rupees 500 is written here, 500. And see, this is 2000 rupees note. It is a very beautiful note. It is in pink color. See, this is the back side of 2000 rupees note. So, we have all these types of currency notes. Now see, we use some coins also. See, this is rupee 1. 1 rupee coin. This is coin. This is note. See, this is 1 rupee note and this is 1 rupee coin. Both have the same value. Both are same. Now see, this is 2 rupee coin and this is 2 rupee note. See, this is 2 rupee note and this is 2 rupee coin. We also use this coin and both have the same value. Now we use 5 rupee coin also. See, this is 5 rupee coin and this is 5 rupee note. As we all have seen, this is 5 rupee coin and this is 5 rupee note. Again, both have same value. See, this is a 10 rupee coin. This is 10 rupees coin and this is 10 rupees note. Okay? And both have again the same value. Now, look at the board. What is the spelling of rupee? R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. This is the singular number of rupee. Here we are using only rupee to denote 1 rupee. Rupee 1. For this we write RE1. RE.1. This is rupee 1. Now I am writing rupees more than 1 rupee. When we will write more than 1 rupee, we will use term rupees. And the short form of rupees is RS. RS.2. Rupees 2. Okay. So, we can write rupees in short like this. RS. And for paise, P-A-I-S-E. Paise, we denote it like this. P for paise. Okay. Now we use one symbol also to denote rupee. This is the symbol of rupee. It looks like Hindi alphabet R and one sleeping line which cuts R. This is also known as rupees. This is the symbol of rupees. This symbol of rupees is equal to RS. Rupees. So we can write any number like this. If we want to write rupees 100, so how you can write it? We will write it like this. Rupees 100. 100. Always use the symbol before the number. Okay, before the rupees value of rupee, you will write this symbol here. Okay. Now, again repeat it with me. This is the spelling of rupee. R-U-P-E-E. Rupee. This is RE.1. But when you speak more than rupee 1, then it will become rupees, because now it is a plural number, more than 1. So we will use the term rupees and we can write rupees in this short form RS.2 and paise like this P dot, and this is the symbol of rupees. I hope now you all are able to recognize and identify the coins and notes which we use currently. Again, fast revise it with me. This is currency note of 1. This is 2 rupees note. This is 5 rupees note. And again, this is 10 rupees note. Then see, this is 20 rupees note. And this is 50 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. See, this is 200 rupees note. Now see, this is 500 rupees note and this is 2000 rupees note. See, this is the biggest note which we are using presently. Okay? Okay class, I hope you all have understood it. Okay, bye bye.